How do you use key cutting machine to cut a key by camera? For instance, we cut a key HU66. Search HU66. Prepare key blank 31. Click Next. Enter the first one. And you will show the guiding picture how to install the key blank on the clamp. Click OK and continue. Look for the menu Camera. Click Camera and we'll take picture by camera. The picture must be flat. Click Confirm. Amplify the key size. Let it align with the square. Pay more attention. The red line position is very important. The key will have a shoulder. And move the spot to every key cut. And confirm every key cut position. If finished, click OK. Every key bit is ready. Let's get ready to cut. Click Continue. Finish cutting both two sides. It cuts perfect.